Hello and welcome. Today I will demonstrate for you the iRig. This is a device for your guitar, so you can plug your guitar directly into your iPhone. And now we're going to show you how to connect everything and have a look at it. Let's open it up. Very simple device, and as you can see, it has the mini stereo out, and then you plug your guitar right in there. And you can also have headphones, so here we got the headphone jack in there, so you can monitor your sound. It's a nice touch, and it's a 3-pole connection. But as you can see, the iPhone that I have does not have. It has a lightning bolt port and no mini. But I got this adapter. So with this adapter, we're going to be able to connect the iRig. We're just going to plug it right in there. Then we're going to be able to connect it to the phone. Okay, so now we have the adapter. We're going to connect it to the phone. And now let's set up the guitar cable, plug it into the guitar. Now we're going to connect the headphones so you can listen to yourself as you're playing, so you can monitor your sound as it's going into the iPhone. So very simple setup. It only takes a few seconds to get it going, and then we're gonna launch the app, and we're gonna get some sound out of here, and I'll demonstrate for you how to do that. Now that your guitar is connected to Amplitude, you can use this amp. This is the basic amp that it comes with, but you can change things around. You can even change the cabinet. You can change the mic on the cabinet. You also have effects. I don't have any on here right now. You also have tuners, so you can tune your guitar. So if I play it, it's going to tune the guitar for you. The other interesting thing is that it has drums too, so you can play some drums. If you wanted a beat, you're just going to hit that and it'll play the drums for you, and you can hear it in the background and you can play to a beat. But it's just really nice. You can change this around however you want. To get back to the main screen, you're just gonna tap on this and you get back to the main screen. There's a lot of different things you can add on to this, including pedals here, effects. You also have separate tools in here. You can also record, so you can record guitar, so you can change this around, so you can have your EQ effects right there. So if I play, see that? This can also have different chorus effects, so you can have the wave playing. So let's record something real quick. Let's hit record so you can start playing. Okay, we can stop the recording there. You can also have it look a little bit different. So if you wanted to, I really like this tape icon. So when you record something, you can hit record. Okay, and that'll loop it for you right there. It's looping it. Okay, and that's how you stop it. So it has a cool loop effect, so you can jam a rhythm and then you can jam something else over it. So that's a very cool feature. Okay, so there it is. Hope you found that useful. iRig connection, and you can do a variety of things with Amplitude, and that's just some of the things, and that's how you set it up. This goes into the phone, into your guitar, and you're ready to go. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.